Hello, my name's Abigail and I'm from Cribs. I've been doing some assemblies with you and we've been following the adventures of Edmund the Scrub and Captain Soggy and their friend Boatman Bart. Last time we met another character. We met a talking monkey who gave some very good advice to them, but they didn't listen very well. I wonder what is in the treasure chest that can help me think today about the story. Let's have a look. Oh, it's big today. Look at this. So it's a big boat. Now, this does remind me of a Bible story. Can you think which one it might be? Let's go and see Soggy and Scrub and Boatman Bart and see if I'm right about what I think the Bible story is today.
Stop! I said it first! No, I said it first! Stop copying me! You're copying me! Captain! Yes? Ah!
Oh, hello. The captain and I are just playing Snap. It was a draw, though. Captain Soggy Bottom, he doesn't like losing. Or drawing. Only winning.
Right! I demand a rematch! I'm not gonna let you win this time! I'm gonna Edmund the Scrub that smile right off your face!
But I didn't win, Captain. We both won! Yay!
Don't talk the rubbish, Scrub! Deal the card!
Hey!
Ah!
How'd you do? I've come to speak to you.
Oh, hello, monkey. Good to see you again.
What? Who be this monkey friend of yours, Scrub?
Don't you remember we met yesterday when I was looking for Berry?
Oh, aye! And you didn't listen to them, did you?
Well, I think we both learnt our lesson, didn't we, Captain?
Please excuse. I'm bringing you some news. There's a storm on its way. It'll be here later today.
What? We ain't afraid of storms anymore, are we, Scrub?
No, never. We learned yesterday that we can be calm during the storm.
Aye, we be storm masters now, aye!
What brave boys I find. But this storm won't be kind. A big storm comes once a year and floods the whole island from there to here.
Floods the whole island? Can this be true?
Well, I believe our monkey friend.
So do I. I mean, after what happened yesterday, we'd be silly not to.
Hurry now. You haven't got long. In a few hours you'll be swimming, if I'm not wrong.
What do we do?
Aye! Monkey, tell us, what do we do?
I can't help you. I live in a tree. When the island floods, it's not too bad for me.
Well, that's settled. We'll live in a tree as well.
I'm really sorry, but that won't do. There'll be nothing to eat for any of you.
Well, we'll just eat what you eat.
Remember what happened yesterday. The berries are bad for you. You must find another way.
Wait! Come back! Help!
Monkey!
What are we gonna do, Scrub?
Oh, what have we learned this week?
That berries are bad for you.
Not all of them.
That monkey's always talking rhyme.
Not all of them.
To be calm in the storm.
Yes, we've learned that being calm in the storm helps us to think.
Right. Calm.
Think.
Oh, I've got it. We can just live in the tree.
No, the monkey said we wouldn't have any food if we did that.
Then, I know. We can swing to the other island.
Yes, that's it. No. The other island's going to flood as well.
We'll just shut the cabin door.
Wait, we haven't got a cabin door. Captain! I've got it! What? What's been really helpful to us all week long?
All the arguing and squabbling.
No, all the stories from the Bible.
What stories from the Bible?
The stories that Bart's been telling me.
Oh yes, of course, I knew that.
Yeah. So, let's ask Bart.
That's a fantastic, brilliant, wonderful idea.
Why, thank you, Captain.
I'm glad I thought of it.
Well done, Captain. So let's go and find Bart.
Yes.
Yay!
Right. Bart!
Well, that was a funny way to play Snap, wasn't it? I don't think I've ever seen anyone play Snap with leaves before. So Soggy and Scrub, they met the monkey again and he had some more advice for them. At least they listened this time, but they are in a bit of a pickle. The island is going to flood and they don't know what to do. I hope Boatman Bart has some good advice for them. Let's go and see what he has to say.
Bart! Bart!
Bart, it's not even that big an island. Where is he? Oh!
Bart! Bart! Edmund, why don't you know where he is?
I don't know where. Why don't you know where he is?
Well, I'm the captain. I don't need to know.
Doesn't seem to know anything.
Trembling tree trunks, what is going on
We're
here?
looking for Bart.
We can't find him anywhere.
Well, I'm right here.
Bart! Where have you been? We've been looking for you for hours.
But I'm always here.
Why didn't we know that?
I don't know.
Anyway, now you found me. What can I do to help?
You remember the monkey from yesterday? Well, it came to us and it told us that a nasty big storm is coming and we have to prepare.
Otherwise, we're all gonna get wet. And I don't like getting wet.
So, you listened to the monkey this time then? Well, it just so happens I was reading the story of Noah this morning.
Okay, then tell us.
Yeah.
All right, I will. Ready? Well, a long time ago, there was a man named Noah who was a friend of God. Noah was the only person in the world who knew God, and this made God very sad. There were lots and lots of bad people in the world, and no one was happy. Everyone was very horrible to each other, except Noah and his family. Well, one day God said to Noah that a big storm was coming and it would flood the world and wash away all the evil and bad stuff that was ruining God's beautiful creation. God told Noah to build an ark, a great big boat that would save him and his family and 2 of every animal that lived on earth. And so Noah did. He built the ark and saved his family and the animals. You know, just as God chose Noah to save, he also chose Jesus to save. But Jesus came to save everyone.
Thanks for sharing that with us, Bart, but what does it mean?
Well, don't you see, Scrub? We could build an ark.
Well, it'll take years to build a boat that big.
Then we could build a ship.
But we haven't got a sail or rigging or...
We could build a canoe.
But we haven't got the tools to dig the insides out.
Then we could build a raft.
That's a great idea. I'm glad you thought of it.
So am I, Scrub. So am I. Ah, there. Done.
Yay! We're saved! Well done, Captain!
Hey!
And you too, Edmund the Scrub.
Right, now all we need to do is finish loading up all the stuff and cast off.
What a week it's been! You remember on the first day, we caught all of those fish, even though we started out with nothing?
And we learnt that Jesus always provides for us.
And on the next day, there was that big storm, and we learned to be calm during the storm, no matter what's going on.
And that God will always give us peace.
What was the next day? We found that treasure map. Yeah, and the treasure map led us to the pearl. Yeah.
Yes, and learnt that we are precious to God and just how important He is for us.
What was the next day then? We met that monkey. Yes, and he said, "Don't eat the silly berries." We learned not to eat silly berries.
And what can happen when we don't listen?
Now, what did we learn today?
Well, you listened to the monkey. You did what they said. And how by doing that, we're all going to be safe, even though the storm's still coming.
Speaking of which, we better go. Captain.
What?
Are you ready?
I was waiting for you.
Oh, well, I've finished my scrubbing.
Well then, let's be off. And who knows what glorious adventures await us in the future.
It was really nice spending these last few days with you guys. I hope you enjoyed yourselves just as much as we did. Goodbye for now.
Who has he been talking to? Oh! Ah! Now I'm all wet!
I was right about the story. It was the story of Noah and the flood, when God kept Noah and his family safe when the whole earth was flooded. Do you remember what Boatman Bart said? He said that Christians believe that Jesus does the same for us, that he keeps us safe. And God saves us through Jesus, just like he saved Noah and his family from the flood. Boatman, Bart and Edmund the Scrub thought about all that they had learnt while they'd been on the island. They learnt about the fishing and how God provided for them when they persevered and carried on fishing even though they wanted to give up. They remembered about the treasure, that God can be our greatest treasure. They remembered about how they can feel safe even when things are scary all around them, just like in the storm. And they remembered, like Jonah, that they have to listen to instructions, especially instructions that God gives us. And then they built a boat and they were saved from the flood that was coming to the island, just like Noah was saved from the flood. I hope they find somewhere safe to land. Maybe we'll meet them again one day. I'm going to pray now and thank God for all he's done for us. And you can join in if you want to. Dear God, thank you that you save us, just like you saved Noah from the flood. I pray that you would help us to put our trust in Jesus and to follow him and know that when we do that, we will always be safe. Amen.